Because Race Car Box was created for car enthusiasts by car enthusiasts, this is a monthly detailing subscription box where you can get money off and delivered straight to your door. Visit Because Race Car Box now and use the code RustyAutos10 to get your 10% off. So welcome back to a new video. It is time to get Jack's car remapped. Yes, he is having a crackle map. Yes, he's aware of piston 4, so we already know this. Yeah, it's not going to really matter.
I don't care.
No, so it's one of them where he wants a wild crackle map. It's going to happen. The car's already been bought in. Me and Jack are learning to do this. Curtis will be as well at some point. But obviously we're going to be learning how to do the remaps again. We've gone out and done the data logs, which you're about to see in a second. This is, again, it's very important because it's specifically to your car. The same map on this VXR is not going to go on the same map for another VXR the same year because all engines run completely different. So we've got all this stuff set up, ready to go. We're going to jump into this footage right now with the GoPro of me sat in the back and us just going through a few bits and you showing you some of the speed runs.
Opal on this, didn't we?
Yes.
Opal Vauxhall anyway, so it's, and this is a 14?
Right, so we're in the car now. What's happening is Wolf is just teaching me and Jack how to do the data logs. Because again, me and Jack want to be doing this as well. For if Wolf is not there, then we can obviously do that for people. So we're going to get some just GoPro footage of us driving and getting the data logs, and we'll get back to you shortly. This is why it's important that you actually do these data logs, because as we were saying, it is specifically for your car. So every single car runs different, even if they're the same model and the same engine. So bear that in mind.
I'm going to do one in 4th. I'm in 3rd. No, I'm in 4th. Needs to be full frontal as well.
So we're just looking through the data logs and going through all that process right now on the laptop. Again, you need to plug it all in and just transfer it all across and check all that. So that is what we're doing currently. We're learning this on the spot as well at the same time. So we're basically mapping your car.
Yes.
Oh God. Oh God. This remap on Jack's car, obviously we're not going to go that much in depth with it because we've already done this really on the 350 remap. If you want to see that, click on this card up here and you can go and visit it and watch that video and see how it's done fully. Again, take up on that offer at the start of this video before it even started, because yeah, you won't regret it, specifically for your car. Right, so obviously we're filling some stuff in here. Curtis is not going to show that because obviously that's his VIN number and everything else. So,
Or am I? Ah, it's blurred.
So some of that there, obviously I've done one of these already. Jack, this is Jack's obviously time to learn as well, but I'm obviously learning as well at the same time. So we're just filling in the notes of what mods are on the car, so you fill in them along with the date logs and everything else, and then you add your request in there as well. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and obviously Jack wants a wild crackle map, so here we go. Sometimes when you do these you can send it off and then if it doesn't do anything you then have to have it like reconfigurated and just keep tweaking it slightly and then putting it on till it actually does what you want it to do. Again, the people on the other end do write these out instead, but again, to do it in-house it will be so expensive, but eventually that is what we're all planning on doing. We're all planning on writing them in-house instead, but again, this is just a means to and from for now.
I was near the end when I made it to the other side. I knew that it was worth the fight.
So what's happening now is we've got the file back. It's been adjusted to what we need. So what Jack's just doing now is he's setting the program up to start writing it onto the ECU. So that is going to take, again, probably about 15-20 minutes. So once it's gone through the proper channels of following all the stuff on there, we will get back to you as soon as that's done. Alright, so that is the map finished. So we're just packing everything away, and then now the only thing left to do is go and blow it up. Alright, so that's now uploaded. Obviously we're going to just quickly take it out now. We're not sure if that's the correct settings that we need, but we're going to I'm just going to record Jack's first reaction. So none of us have actually heard this. We don't even know if it's going to do anything. So we're about to find out. So let's go, Jack.
I'm good. Bye.
Take your hood down.
Can't.
Yeah, you can. Take your fucking hood down. Take your hood down. Need to see reaction. Take your hood down. Take your hood down. I know you guys have just saw Jack's car shooting a massive flame, but we will get to that in a second. We are just quickly interrupting this video, so we do apologise. We're going to get to you that very shortly. P4 we're not really bothered about. We will rebuild the engine, so cue the comments. We're not really bothered about it. Also as well, this is the opportunity now we're going to use to give you guys basically something. Here at Sabre Speed we're giving away between 10 and 20 remaps for the cost of £150 each. That will be a stage 1 remap on pretty much any car. Providing we can map it, we will do it. If you guys want anything extra, for example like a crackle map or anything like that, there will be an additional charge of basically I believe it's £50. So what's going to happen there is you guys to enter are going to have to give us some little information and to fill in some stuff at the bottom. So you need to first off like this video, you need to share this video, you need to then go over to Sabre Speed's Instagram, make sure you're following them on their Instagram, also following my Instagram, which again that will probably be changed to Rusty Auto soon. We're just in the process of sorting things out. Then once you've done that, you need to come back to this video, you need to comment down below and say that you've shared it and that you would love a remap. Now this will be picked at random. We may just contact people, so what we're going to do with that is we're not sure. We'll probably put it in another video, so make sure you guys aren't missing that out. Or if you want to message Sabre Speed or Rusty Fat page on Instagram and just let us know that you guys have entered, we can then pick everybody, put them all in a drawer and say okay, we can contact you then and show you that you've won. So basically you have to be able to come down here, get the remap. Every single remap will be data logged, so it will be for your car specifically, so it won't be able to be put on two of the same cars. They will be obviously car specific, so don't miss out on this opportunity, guys. Make sure you're following them steps and make sure you aren't missing out on getting your car a stage 1 remap. So let's get you straight back to this video and enjoy. Take your hood down.
No.
Come on, take it down.
No, the hair loss.
And?
Draw.
You draw?
I'm going to put in the window. Which way am I going?
Right. Don't try it in first, try it in second, because second you get more. Where are you going?
Put the corner you.
I like how he stared at you like it's your fault as well.
I'm miles over this side.
Oh.
You're